Lalakad kami nila Luca dito sa dating lugar namin kung saan kami nakatira at kung saan ko nakita ang tatlong magkukumpare. So bibisitahin natin ang magkukumpare. Mukhang nanganak na si Kumare. Let's go. Come on, Luca.
Hi,
Yes,
who are you talking?
I am just talking to my phone. No, it's vlogging. Come on, let's go. Just let's go. Because the kumpare there. We need to see the kumpare Drix, Idasok, and Kuya Benny there. There they are. You see? It's so many chicken. Kumpadre, kumare, kumpadre. There, go. Yeah, this is our old house. Like, we used to live here. Yeah. We used to live here, but now it's not. There. So, there. Just look at the chicken first for a while. Come this way, darling. Come over here. Yeah, it's not allowed to touch them and it's not allowed to feed them. So just yeah, you see? They get more and more and more and more and more chicken here in Singapore. And there's more. Yeah. It's no family planning here. Walang family plan. Kaya ayan, dumadami na sila. At ang magkukumpadre, eto na. Sa Singapore pa rin pala. Okay, nasa Singapore pa rin pala kayo. Ilan ba kayo? 5? Sakto ba? Drix, Idasok, Kuya Benny, Kuya Boy Pasyaw. Dumagdag pa. Sino na yung dumagtab? Sir Rams. Sir Rams. Hello, Sir Rams. Sorry. Sumama ka na sa magkukumpadre. Ayan si Charlie. Ayan si Charlie at ang aking alaga. Yeah. So that's our old house. Yeah, we're just come here to visit and walk with Charlie. So that's it, guys. See, this is our place before. We used to just stay here. So let's go, Luca. Let's go back. Okay, let's go. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Yan. Bye-bye. Bye.